Good morning, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. Mm, as usual, of September. Today we got a lot of high impact news. What means high impact news? Donald Trump, I think he's still speaking. And well, hard reactions yesterday for the people in Telegram. Full take profit in Tokyo session, 127 pips for the people in Telegram. So that was great. That was that was beautiful. It was a beautiful trade with no retracement. Was really nice. Was really nice. So well, was really nice. Was really nice. You know, like the position there, all the information provided into the Tokyo was beautiful. The confirmation was beautiful. Well, the position was really nice. Was really nice. So well, again, today we got the high impact news. High impact news for what? For well, different news. I think jobless claim and other ones. It was difficult. It was difficult to start the day. I just wake up and see the massive retracement, then and see the massive reaction. So I play some well, the video games, League of Legends. I playing first as they're starting. Of course, I was seeing the chart every time. Now looks like 47. Mhm. Let's see if we got this confirmation for the next minutes. Remember, we need to wait the confirmation. To wait the confirmation. Um, well, let me read the chat. Read the chat here. Um, Maurice is here. LMS, my friend. How to is here too. Top Dog, of course. Well, many people. A lot of many beautiful people is here. That's great, guys. Thanks for being here, of course. Let's wait the confirmation. Remember, this is the volume by Sam. We need that candle was massive. That candle was massive. So we need to clarify that candle, of course. For my account, yesterday we were in 49. Well, we were in negative. Today we are in plus $313. It's around the 12% of the account of the target for complete the challenge. So that's great. This is the third date of the challenge. So let's see what happened. Friday we was in negative. Yesterday I recovered. In New York I recovered. And Tokyo forget the profit for $300. Remember, I'm working now with testing this account for FXI5 because FXI5 right now it's giving us the opportunity to um, to link the accounts with um, with the with TradingView, just the new accounts, just in case. The challenge is for the 50 kids. Is the challenge what I'm sharing every day into the Discord, my friend LMS. For the best prop firm, remember I don't have the personal opinion. What is the best prop firm, guys? So for that reason, I'm working directly with the top with the prop firm match.com. The work for this beautiful website is rate what is um, the most trustable and the most um, well rate for the people for the prop firms. Basically, if you click the link, I will share the link into the chat. Just go there, click the link into the link, see the reviews, see the comments, check the comments into the website. Many traders, um, real persons responding and rating that preference. They have a high list of the most trustable, the most common prop firms into the market, and there you will see the information, guys. Just JC, just go into the profitmatch.com, and of course, if you click the link, you will receive the best offers and the best discounts. So just go there, and I know it's going to be very helpful to you to take a decision, my friend. So, so yes, by my side, I use FXI5. It's not the best rate, into the into the profit match. You will see better options, of course. But personally, when I was starting, I start with the FXI5, and it was very nice. It was very nice, and I'm still working with them. The payouts is no issues. Well, but my recommendation is just go into the link and choose according the information there. Just just click into the link and check that information. What is the best program or the best option for you? Okay, we need to. I need to block some guys here. Look at my crypto. Goodbye. Jose is here. Jose, mi amigo, ¿cómo estás? 5%, sí. Sí, 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 sí. Bastante buena, la verdad. También. Nada que refutar. Pagan, pagan, que es lo importante, pagan. Entonces, igual, si está interesado, ahí tiene el link y este puede ir a Proper Match y ahí va a tener la información básicamente eh, de cómo está rankeado, ¿verdad? Recuerde que ese ranked es corresponde a muchos votos que se han dado dentro de la página. ¿Ok? I'm not into a trade, guys. Remember, I need to wait the confirmation here for open the trade. Right now, I'm not into any trade. I'm speaking loud, my friend. I'm speaking loud, and I'm listening by myself. I know the sound is just good. So, well, beautiful month for gold. 1,504 pips in positive for gold. Dow Jones 64 pips in positive. Nasdaq broke my heart this month. Not I get the profits in Nasdaq minus 103 pips. USD gem 39 pips. This month was not an easy month. Not an easy month. Why? Because a lot of news, guys, a lot of news. Donald Trump, Jerome Powell, interest rate. Every week, I feel like September we got massive information. Well, all-time high, the gold, all-time high, the Nasdaq, all-time high, and Dow Jones. So, well, this month is not normal, but well, the deal is survive. By my side, I prefer gold. For me, gold is the best one. Exactly, Tokyo is just for the people in Telegram. Some people need to wake up. For example, the people in the United Kingdom, it's really early. For other people, I know we have members from Japan, uh, Korea, China. It's not uh, that late. So yes, it depends. 8 minutes waiting the confirmation. Don't you go, anyone let you go, and we can fall the face. 6 minutes. In 24 hours, around 2 4 entries per day if there's normal conditions. A day like today with full of news, around 2 entries per day. If we got the massive news, normally like today is just 2 entries per day. I did the first one in Tokyo, full take profit. Now waiting this one. And this force looks beautiful. This force looks really nice. Helmet splash. But I need the confirmation, guys. Remember, as usual, I need the confirmation. Before. Mm. 'Gonna win. Well, here, for example, the drop was massive. The drop was massive. So this drop was for 100 more than 100 pips. Now in a good scenario, the best confirmation it's like the price ends more than 0.5. The other scenario is the price ends like this and then go back to the 38, 32 for see what happened. It depends. Now it looks like with a nice body. It looks like an engulfing because it's engulfing the last candle. So waiting, waiting, guys. Sons of Odin Weeple. Right from the sky. 2 minutes. Copy is here. Nice. Losing the volume. Okay, looks great. It looks great. Not that much, not that much, guys. But well, the point is exactly point is 38.36. That's the exactly point. So we will wait the retracement. Then we will find the position 38.36 at least. Let me clean the chart. I need the consolidation in one point. $39, 38. So let's see. Inclusive 38, 33, 38, 32 looks like a better best position. So well, now it's testing the 38, 35. We need the accumulation, remember. Okay, looks like the price will be in that accumulation. So let's be ready in 38, 35, 38, 34. Looks like the price is in that accumulation in 1 minute. Okay, let's be ready. Let's be ready. Okay, there is the position. I'm into a long position now. So take the information there. I'm into a low position now. $38, $36, $58. Let me work into the TPS. $38, 41, 42, 41.40, 150, 3, 38, 44, 40p, full p, 38, 38, 49. Okay, arriving into the TPS. Nice point. Work into the TP2, 41, 50. And now it's just so little. 42, TP2. And TP3 is 43, 44. 44. 5. Okay. TP3. Let's clarify this one. 50. 50. So there is the position. There is the position. Let me update the information here. TP42. That 20. TP3. 38, 45. 45. 45. Okay, good. Okay, again, it retests the point of entry for the ones who take the position. There was another possibility to be there. You stay there. Was good. Let's see the reaction. The price is a must to this candle ends more than the 0.5. Of course, I really want to touch the TP2 and the TP3. Let's see. Let's see. Now it's a possibility. We have movement so hard. So let's relax and let's see what happened. 5 minutes. Testing again the point of entry. We need to stay there more than the more than the there more than the 0.5 highest prices, of course. The stop is there into the 38.32. Let's see. Testing the point of entry again. Testing the point of entry. Last 3 minutes. It's going back. Stay there. Testing the point of entry. Of course, we need a good reaction there. Last 3 minutes. The point of entry is there, guys. You take the decision if you enter or not. The point is there. Let's wait. Looks like a little accumulation there. Good reaction. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes, guys. Hmm. Losing the volume again. Your patience. Your patience. The target is higher than the usual. Well, not that much. It's a 39 pips, so that's okay. 1 minute more. 1 minute more. I think Trump was speaking. It's done. Let me see again the information here. Yes, I think he done with the speech. I don't know if someone can confirm it's if that's that true because I think Trump is already done with the speech. How do you choose your entry point? I choose my entry point in 1 minute candle. I detect the consolidation there, and then I choose the point. So beautiful. Almost TP1. Let's see if we can touch the TP1. The good thing is the price ends more than the 0.5. So that was great. That was really nice. So, well, continue. Almost there. Almost there. Just some pips more. And of course, we need to break the TP1. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now, guys. Share your profits at this point. TP1 it's now. By my side, trying to reduce the stop. So the TP1 is now. You can take some partials. Let's see the reaction. Okay, and learn all these things. Can you reply? Yes, into the Discord, my friend. You can go into the Discord. You can go into the Discord, guys. It's not for free, just in case. Okay, almost TP2, guys. Almost TP2. Hard reaction. Hard reaction. Share your profits at this point. Remember, at this point, you can set the break even, take some partials, or just reduce the stop loss. It depends according to your experience. By my side, I just going to reduce the stop, holding for the full TP. Sorry, holding for the TP2 at least. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. For this trade, this zero, that's 32. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Let's see if the price can continue with that pressure. In 5 minutes, looks was looking good, but well, the price didn't want to break the TP1. So well, let's see. Holding for TP2. Almost there. Almost there. And TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. Let me take my partials into my fund, into my real account. Now I take some partials. Hold him. 56 pips with no too much risk. And the break even it's now, guys. The break even it's now. Make sure there. Mm. The break even it's now. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point, guys. Share your profits at this point. Mooks is here. A pleasure, my friend. Yes, I did the TPS. Most of the time, I changed the TPS. You know, because the math by my side sometimes is not that good, so I need to count 2 3 times. But just I never changed the TP1. I just changed the TP2 and the TP3. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits. Jose trades 120 pips. That's beautiful. Easy entry. I think many people have the opportunity to take this entry because it may a retest for around 3 times into the point. So well, now it's just time to wait. Just time to wait. Lakai, my friend, important part of my community. $60, $20, $20, perfect. $55 for Saki. Amera, $40. That's great. Solid entry. Yes, was a really nice entry. That was beautiful entry. Just we wait the confirmation, then the retracement, and that's all. That was really nice. Paul Ryan, $450. The dear passionate curious $80. So that's great. Let's roll to TP3, guys. Let's roll to TP3. Let's roll the TP3. $84. Let's roll to TP3. Unfortunately, it didn't touch the TP3 for less than a pip. But well, let's see. Let's see. It's still waiting. Still waiting. I'm still holding. Share your information, your TPS, well, your profits at this point. Your patience, guys. Well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Remember, guys, try to help me with the likes. Try to help me with the to share the screen. Okay. Carlos Rodriguez, un gusto, mi amigo. Gusto. Of course, I always like your stream because you are sincere with your loss and profit. Yes, that's the idea, you know. Do you think well even fewer than TP3? That's the I think we can go to the to the ATH again, but it depends if this candle is a must to end near to the TP2 if we want to continue for the full TP. Do you think? Yeah, okay. New entry, not a new entry at this point. Just holding. Trying so hard. I'm going to change some things here. Being the full break even. There. Now the entry is in full break even. Who is holding? Who continue holding? Who already closed the trade in profit? Tell me, guys. So well, that was great. I want to read the profits at this point. Should we hold? That's your that's up to you, my friend. It depends how you feel. It depends how stressed you feel. You know, you can share, you know, the information and everything, but take some partials is a must. I already take some partials and then break even. So almost CP3, of course. But the next scandal, this scandal, the next and the next one is a must to stay there and stay more than the TP2 if we want to continue. Okay. how you master. Hello, my friend. Oh, can you buy this one? It's not into the point, my friend. The point was there for around, I would say 5 minutes, guys. The point was in 38:36. Okay, let's see. Okay, good pressure in the last candles. Remember, guys, if you don't like, the way the orders, or you want to receive the order first, just confirm the information into the Telegram. The Telegram is $79, 1 year subscription. Or, of course, if you want to learn and understand why I'm going to open the one position, go into the Discord. There we have the pre-recorded videos, support, and of course, I provide the information first date. For example, here in this entry, I would say like waiting the confirmation from 38.36. Why? Because I have my volume by some near to the 38.36. As simple as that. I share the information. This is the volume by some. For that reason, I will open the position 38.36. It's pretty simple. Here, for example, for Tokyo is the same. For Tokyo was the same. The new songs for today. I share the songs into the day for Tokyo. Then just the we are going to open waiting around 38.36, 46. Then the price arrived in 38.46. The position will open in 38.47, and it was a full take profit with no too much issues. So that was great for the day. That was a great day for today. And well, this is how it works. Discord, Discord. Many people talking about their entries and everything. And of course, I will share my ideas, my information to generate um, more information. You know? Labrito, bye. Thanks for sharing this. It's a pleasure, my friend. Sema, literally only gold trades lately. Yes, it's um, it's for the month. Most of the time, I think more entries, but this month was different for many things. And well, that things happen. That things happen. By yourself. Thanks, Laurito. $40, $50. That's great. Thanks, brother. This guy, Jewel, is for Bangladesh. I think it's that the flag is for Bangladesh. White Wolf, for you providing you in Telegram for 3 months, and I renew my subscription Discord for life. Honestly, your signals and guidance are highly successful, White Wolf. By my side, it's a pleasure. This project will continue even if some people don't like it, even if when I lose, I receive many hate. I don't care. But this project will continue. Whatever did it happens, I will continue with the channel. I will continue with Telegram. We'll continue with Discord for provide the support for the people who trust me. And I really and I highly appreciate, guys. I'm here for everyone here. Thanks for the support. Thanks for your honest and your nice words. Thank you for GD. If I pay for Telegram, can I go into the Discord? Telegram is $79, 1 year subscription. Telegram and Discord is $119 lifetime lifetime subscription. That means you pay once time and that's it. $119 lifetime subscription for both. Discord is for learn. Telegram is just to receive the signals. Let me see. Thanks, my friend Mark Janis. Is that another entry? No, it's not a position at this point. White wall, how much is that? The best thing of your trading is you never trade during the news hours. I never trade during the news hours, guys. And this is something what some people don't understand, you know. Um, for be a trader, you don't need the too much, you know. You just need to be patient and be sure of your strategy and everything. But you don't go to the college, for example, for for study how to be a trader, you know. But many people and many professional people go to the college to take and analyze the news, how it will affect the economy in the United States. And that one is difficult, you know. For that reason, I never trade during the news because I'm not expert. I don't know how it's going to affect the economy in the United States. I'm not a citizen for the United States. I'm not for the United States. I don't know how United States works. I don't know how the US dollar is going to be affected by the news. For that reason, skip the news and that's all, guys. As simple as that. Always we can find a good positions even if we go after the news. Yes, exactly. You need a good capital. Exactly. Thank you very much, Marcilio Casiano, my friend. Thanks for being here again. Nice to see you here. I was just wondering that this time can go all time high. We can go to the all time high. We can go to the all time high. Yes. Brother, any discount for the small traders? Ninja, Nirok, Mena, my friend. If you ask for a discount by WhatsApp, I don't have an issue. You know, I don't have an issue for provide discounts or give a promotions. I don't have an issue, but you need to ask into the WhatsApp. See what's the come live with Tokyo session slow for Tokyo session is just for the people in Telegram. Bro, how can I deposit? Method of payment, PayPal and USDT. Who is still holding? Okay. Remember, set the break even. We are in break even, guys. We are in break even. We are in break even, guys. Be clear of that, okay? Be clear of that. Testing the 0.5. Risby, if you pass the funded account, you will have an account for trade, your own trades. Um, how can I explain a funded account? You will have like you pay, for example, I don't know, like $70 for an account for 5,000 or $10,000. And if you pass that account, you will have the same account for take positions. Okay, for example, for an account in for $10,000, I would say you can apply for payouts around 500, $600, something like this. It depends. But yes, I highly recommend, if you are starting in trading, try to pass at least one time a challenge after before to take a real account. Okay, so just the best option, what you have, just go into the profitmatch.com, check the information there, check the all the promotions, what they have, the codes, and of course you will see the most trustable companies listed there into the profitmatch.com. I will share the link into the chat, so just go there, check the information, and of course you will clarify your ideas about what is the best prop firm in your country, what is your best prop firm according the comments what you're going to read there, guys. So just go into the profitmatch.com. The link is into the chat. Okay. And remember, we have the BT markets too. BT markets is there, but that is a real broker. Okay, that's a real broker with your real money. So well, waiting. So let me read the chat here. Can I give a good trader for recover my losses? No, my friend. Sorry. That was a good trade. He already doing good. What you're talking about? Yes, exactly. JJ is here. ¿Cómo estás, querida? ¿Todo bien? No recuerdo si JJ era hombre o mujer, la verdad. Troubles watch this stop out. Bro, is 4 hours time frame? No, it's a 15 minutes. Even I earn $100. Yes, perfectly, my friend. So waiting, guys. It's ranking exactly. It's ranking in 1 minute candle. This is the last. This is the last candle, unfortunately, in 50 minutes. But the good thing is the price touched the 0.5 and grow up. That was a great thing. The pressure for the sellers were unable to pass the 0.5, so that's beautiful. Here, let me check something. The thing with the TP3, as you can see, it's a massive candle. We need to pass that 0.5 if we want to continue for the full TP. So let's see. Probably in the next candle we will touch TP3. It's now, guys. TP3. It's now. TP3. It's now. Well, it didn't touch the TP3 for 0.01. But well, I'm not going to fall in that things. 84 pips. So well, I don't know. It didn't touch the just for one pip. It didn't touch the TP3. So let's discount that pip. So plus probably we will touch the TP3 again fully 38 pips plus B. The next step, what I do is just change the my B. My break even now it's in 38, that 58. Okay. Well, the idea here is take some pips, guys. Take some pips. Take some pips in TP3. I will take some pips. I will take some pips now. Taking some pips in TP3. Now, basically, in TP3, I was taking the 50% of my entry. Okay. Freeze stuck here forever. Okay. New operation now. Can you tell me where to close partially your position? Now in TP3, we were talking partialies, the positions. Now it's time to take some partials, guys. I take the 50% of the entry in TP3. Break even is in 38.38. For this trade, we are the broker is Alchemy Markets. Alchemy Markets, and but I'm testing the challenge for 50 key with trading view with the FXI5. Okay, with FXI5, I'm taking this position. I will update the TP. Um, will update the TPs. TP1 in TP1. It's my B now. TP1. It's my B now. Thank you, Harir. So well, guys, TP3 now finally it touched the TP3 fully. And tell me your profits at this point. Tell me your profits at this point, guys. Tell me your profits at this point. Tell me your profits at this point. Tell me if you already closed the trade and book fully the 80 pips. So well, TP3, guys, TP3. PP3 guys, here at this point, take at least one partial. Copy, it's a pleasure, my friend. How's that round down? So well, the price is a must to break that point. Let's see if we can go to continue for the 83.50. It depends for the next 4 minutes. So well, they are trying again. In 5 minutes, it's already break that resistance in 38 to 44. Now it's time to wait. Well, it can pass and go to the number 45 because there is a. I already explained here, guys. Like this candle, this candle is the commander. You know, the commander. He is guiding the pressure at this point. So for that reason, we're having a lot of reactions here for sellers. The middle of the candle, the 0.5 is there. So don't be impressed if the price just go back by here. It's a possibility. Okay. So we need to break that point, that 0.5, if we want to continue with the to the full TP. But yes, that's the explanation why the price is here into the 0.5. It's the same by here, of course. We have the little candle here. It touched the 0.5 and the price grew up. So we need the next two candles continue with the nice pressure and go there. So just wait. This is a Gambox. Big shortcoming. Yes, that's a possibility too. It's something. That's the thing what I'm explaining, and for that reason, my break even is in TP1, and I already take the half of my entry at this point. Okay. But at the end, we got a nice volume. I don't know if someone is holding. Well, the 0.5, yes, is the Gambox. I'm holding. Sander is holding. Over there, Sander is here. It's beautiful. I'm also holding. Perfect, guys. Remember, holding. Set the break even. It's okay. Even in this point, you can take some partials with no issues. Relax and hold, guys. That's the idea always. Mm, we got a new little position there. So let's see. Uh, Something happened with my second screen, guys. So give me 1 second. Give me 1 second for clarify here what happened. Done, guys. System issues. Remember, we're into the stream and we can fall in that system issues, but well, Um, holding the full TP. That was great. Everything is clear, right? You can see me, you can listen me. Just confirm me, please. Let's roll for the full TP. Let's roll for the full TP, guys. What a beautiful trade. Uh, what a beautiful trade, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. Well, we need more, of course. Just some people, let's hold him. Please share your profit. My friend, there is the information here. So, by my account, for the other account, it's the other account what I have with the FXI5 is for 50 key, 55 key. So they just provide me this account for updating my account, of course, and change for the 50 key. But first, I need to pass the challenge. Of course, they don't cancel me the other account or doing something like this. So I continue with the two accounts. But this is one. This one is for pass the challenge. Remember, I'm passing the challenge here just with the entries provided by Telegram. So for clarify that question, like I can pass the challenge with your signals. Many people ask me, and I take advantage for this new this new accounts what the FXI5 give us. Link it your accounts with the trading view. I think it's the first probably Angram, but I think it's the first one who are using um, this type of services. Link it directly with the trading view. That's beautiful. That's great. So well, my profit for this trade at this point in the other account is around for far. Let me see. US, France, New Zealand, US. For almost 400. Where you where you from? So many days we come regularly, please. I'm from Costa Rica, my friend. Okay. Perfect. Well, I know they need to um I need to increase, the lot size here. Well, it's time to break, that line for the 0.30, 0.40, and starting using 0.60, 0.80. I remember the last year I was using the 0.80. Well, that was great, but more stressful, more stressful. Nowadays, I'm using around 0.25, no less than 0.25. Well, that's on a comfortable zone. I need to break that zone. Any entry for buying? No. No, guys. At this moment, it's not a position for open alone. I'm having issues with my screen. You know, probably I need to update my screens soon. So that was a beautiful, beautiful session, guys. Tokyo was beautiful today. New York was beautiful. Around 200 pips for Telegram. 100 pips for Telegram with no too much issues. So hopefully everyone can take this position. But well, guys, it's taking yes, many time to get the TP with the full TP. At this moment, by my side, it's time to go. I need to eat my breakfast now. And I was checking, I received 7 dislikes today. Normally, it's just 4, 7 dislikes for this trade. That was good. But well, at least they the haters gave us a reaction, so that was great. Um, so we're trying again to go for the full TP. But well, yes, the pressure will continue. Hmm. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Yes, I will change the. Will stop the TP2 as my B, and then that's all, guys. I will hold the TP2 in break even and the full TP. Let's see what happened. I'll be back in Telegram for Tokyo session. I'll be back in Telegram for Tokyo session, guys. For the people here, I'll be back in New York session. Guys, every week, I explain like the only way to get my channels. Well, every day it's by WhatsApp. I don't understand how the people just go into the access for the for trying to find the the easy access, the free access. Sorry if you get a scam for the people into the Telegram. That's not my fault, guys. That's not my fault. Every week I I did a comment, you know. I did an ad into my channel here every week. Here the same. Important notice: I don't have an investment plan. The only way to contact me is through WhatsApp. If you cross any other channels or accounts claiming to be me in Telegram or by email, please report them immediately as scammers. Those are not me. As simple as that, guys. I don't have these type of investments plans. Um, and well, sorry if you fall in this type of things, but again, I don't have this information by that email. I don't have this. Is not my email. Arito Trading Company at gmail.com. That's not my email. And well, guys, it's pretty easy, you know, to play attention. Like the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. Well, that type of these ones, Laurito Things Official. That's not my channels. Um, that's not my channels, guys. If you are in that channels, just report them as scammers, and that's all. Sorry if you fall in that type of scamming under my name, but every day I explain here. The only way you contact me is by WhatsApp, guys. It's by WhatsApp. The number is into the box, into the description, and that's all. And that's all. As simple as that. Feel free to contact me. Feel free to contact me, and I will provide you the directly support, the directly information, and everything. So, well, guys, thanks for the support. Thanks for being here. Um, Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the 7 dislikes today. I think it's today was the day with too much um, dislikes. Most of the time, it's around or or 5 dislikes. But this is today is the first time with 7 dislikes. 7 dislikes, 348 likes. So of course, that means most of the people enjoyed the trades. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for always being here. Um, always is a pleasure. Always is a pleasure. This project will continue. Even if I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. Um, so, well, every day I'm going to stay here, guys. Thanks for the ones who trust me and go into my channels, into the Telegram and the Discord. Thanks for the ones who always came here and give me a good comments. This project is all for you guys. My successful. Yeah, it's going to by the hand with the people in this community. So well, thanks guys. Thanks for everything. I'll be back for the people in Telegram in Tokyo session, and I'll be back for people here in New York sessions, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understand. This is trading, and October will be better. Yes, I'm trust October will be better. This one was so difficult with a lot of news. Elements, thanks for your support. Uh, My friend from Greece, I don't remember the name, my friend, sorry. Shout out, my friend, thanks for always being here. Clive Boy, LMS, of course. Uh, Brian, how to, let me see, who else? Arian Ovi, Sander Summer, of course. Let me see, Master MD, Beatblock, Palavoy, the Capybara. Many people, many beautiful people here into the chat. Of course, good times. Thanks, my friend. Marcelo Cassiano. Chris, yes, Chris, my friend from Greece. I forget the name. Long time no see you. Harir, is your trade open full TP? Yes, my train's still waiting the full TP, guys. It's pure patience. I'm bet like if we break the 3846, sorry, 40, yes, 46, with a massive candle, no, with this candle, with this pressure, we will continue for the full TP. You are great. Thanks, Rosemary. Thanks, dear. Is your trade open? Yes, it's open. So thanks, everyone. Remember, the only way who take the channels is by WhatsApp. Okay, it's by WhatsApp. So just contact me if you're interested. $79, 1 year subscription, guys. Always is a pleasure. Hold your positions and let's see what happens. I'll be back for the people in Telegram, Tokyo, and back here for the people in YouTube in New York sessions, guys. Thanks. Thanks, Shelton. Pleasure. Same for you guys. Enjoy your weekend. First day of the. Today is the first day? No, it's the second day of the week. Giri, contact me by WhatsApp, my friend. Contact me by WhatsApp. Yes, Clef Boy, change the B to TP2. I will update the information. So, well, guys, see you soon. See you soon. Going to eat. Thanks for